Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will talk about texture effects of Adobe Illustrator. Craquelure. Paint an image on a high relief plaster surface producing a fine network of cracks that follow contours of the image. Use this effect to create embossing effect with image contain a broad range of color or grayscale value. Grain. Add texture to an image by simulating different kind of grain: regular, soft, clamped, enlarged, stippled, horizontal, vertical, or speckled. For more information on using these texturizing options, mosaic tiles. Draw the image as if it were made up of small chips or tiles and add grout between tiles. Patchwork. Break up an image into squares. Fill the predominant color in that of the image. The effect randomly reduce or increase the tile depth to replicate highlight or shadows. Stained glass. Repaint an image as single color adjacent cell outline in the foreground color. Texturizer applies a texture you can select create to an image. Now we will discuss about video effect. Deinterlapse. Smooth moving image captured on video by removing either the odd or even interlapped line in a video image. You can choose to replace the discarded line by duplication or interpolation. Anti-SC color. Restricted the gamut of color to those acceptable for television reproduction to prevent over texturated color from bleeding across television scan line. Thank you.